What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. So here is the Audio Technica AT9212. You can call it 9912, however you wanna call it. There's also the version called AT9911, which is a stereo, but this one is mono. Both have benefit. In stereo you will capturing surround sound, but the bad thing is that it will capture a lot of the background sound such as the aircon sound, etc. sound. The stereo is good if you are going to capture the sound of nature, but if you are going to do any kind of vlog, then I will recommend you to get the mono one. So again, I imported from Japan. I will be testing with my Osmo Pocket with the Osmo adapter. Okay, let me take out. I hope this one, yeah, definitely is original. You know, Japanese people do not scam, which is a good thing compared to the, you know, other people. You know what I mean. Okay, you get a some kind of like PU letter pouch. You got a warranty card. Nothing special in the box. Okay, you got a windscreen with the microphone. Again, this is a tiltable microphone, as you can see. Okay, sadly there's a downside. I was thinking like this Saramonic is going to tilt like total what is called 180 degree. This tilt only 90 degrees. You can see only one side. For example, if I'm trying to capture, I need to do something like this. I cannot tilt back like this. Anyway, let me get my Osmo Pocket. So here's my Osmo Pocket, as you can see. Let me attach with the 3.5mm. Let me just zoom it here. Can you see? And let's see, can turn on. Let's see, it's working or not. It's working. Can you see? If I tap something, can you see? Let me just remove this one and see. Now you see there's no sound signal. Can you see or not? When I attach, there's sound signal. Can you see? Hello. So yeah, I'm going to vlog like this. I mean, can I vlog like this? Okay, what is this? Let me just take out. Like this. I'm gonna vlog. Let me attach the windscreen. Yeah. I'm just going to hold like this. How is that? How is that? So now let me give you some audio test. Let me get out and give you some audio. This is the Osmo Pocket microphone sound. You need to judge how good is the sound quality and how good is the ambient background noise, especially the morning noise of the animals. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, I love this. To be honest with you, there's some stereo sound going on behind me. There are some little like toad frog, which I mean, can you hear the sound of some like intense beaming or not? And now let me connect the Saramonic ATR microphone. Now tell me how good is the sound with this Saramonic microphone. I mean, this is a mono microphone. I will be buying the stereo one also. So now you tell me how is mono, because mono is again in one directional. Is good if you just want to focus the sound on one. Stereo capture everything like 360. Again, both of them have their own purpose. There cannot be a one microphone which fit all, unless the single microphone have two capsule, one mono and one stereo. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the sound. And let me just make the mic straight and the mic up. So yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the audio quality and how good is the sound at the end of the day.